test the convergence of the following series. Sigma n equal to 1 to infinity 1 by 3 raised to n plus 1. That is by comparison test. By comparison test. Here un equal to sigma n equal to 1 to infinity 1 by 3 raised to n plus 1. Here sigma un. This un equal to sigma n equal to 1 to infinity 1 by 3 raised to n plus 1. That is, the given series is denoted as un. Then we assume another series. Assume another series Vn. Here we assume the series Vn is sigma n equal to 1 to infinity 1 by 3 raised to n. Listen, here we assume sigma n equal to 1 to infinity 1 by 3 raised to n. Then here, listen, 3 raised to n is smaller than 3 raised to n plus 1. Here 3 raised to n plus 1 is big. Here this is small value, 3 raised to n. So 1 by 3 raised to n is smaller than 1 by 3 raised to n plus 1. This value is big, small value. This is big value. Okay, that is Vn is greater value than un. That is sigma un is smaller than sigma un. Okay, here assume series Vn. Vn is greater than the given series. And from the comparison test, in the comparison test, Vn is greater than un and Vn converge, which implies un also converge. From the comparison test, Vn is greater than un and Vn is converge, then un is also converge. So first we check Vn is converge or not. What is Vn? Vn is the series. Vn is equal to sigma n equal to 1 to infinity 1 by 3 raised to n. That is equal to, listen, put n equal to 1, that is 1 by 3, plus then n equal to 2, 1 by 3 square, plus 1 by 3 cube, plus 1 by 3 raised to 4, which is a geometric series. Which is a geometric series. With the common ratio, r is equal to 1 by 3. Here 1 by 3 is the common ratio. Then 1 by 3 is less than 1. From the geometric series test, 1 by 3, r is less than 1. The series converge. The series converge. From the geometric series, r is less than 1. The series converge. Listen, here we assume Vn. Vn is bigger than un. That's our first condition. Our second condition is Vn is converge, then un is also converge. Here we already proved Vn is converge. Vn is bigger than un. So our given series sigma n equal to 1 to infinity 1 by 3 raised to n plus 1 is also converge. So sigma given series un also converge.